माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू केमिस्ट्री क्लास। आज हम लोग थर्माइट बेल्डिंग के बारे में स्टडी करने वाले हैं। यू नो थर्माइट विच इज ए मिक्सचर ऑफ आयरन ऑक्साइड एंड एल्युमिनियम in the ratio of 3:1. It is used to join iron. It is used for welding railway tracks. During this process, a mixture of magnesium and barium oxide is used as ignition mixture to start this process. The heat released is so large that it melts the metal and joins the broken part. The reaction that takes place during thermite welding is Fe2O3 plus Al. You will get Al2O3 plus Fe, and so balancing suitable coefficients are added. Fe2O3 plus 2Al, you will get Al2O3 plus 2Fe. You should write the reaction involved. Okay, all the best. Be safe, be happy.